This is the Lockpicking Lawyer, and today we're going to have some more fun with the Wendt Glocke core puller. I want to see if the puller and its screws have enough power and strength to shear off the retention lug that you would find on the side of a small format interchangeable core cylinder. So, what we have here is a Kryptonite KS92 padlock that is fitted with a best SFIC core that is absolutely perfect for testing this. So let's see if the core puller is up to the task. The first thing we need to do, of course, is put a screw right down that keyway. And I think I have that just about right. Now let's get the core puller into position. Okay, now I just need to put a ratchet on this large bolt. Okay, if we look down there, we can see we're making good progress pulling that core out. It is a little bit difficult to hold this in my hand and turn at the same time. It is still coming out fairly well. I'm going to put this in here just to give myself a little bit more leverage on this. We're almost to the point where that core should come out. And there we go, pulled right out the bottom. And let's see if we can open that padlock up. That does not want to turn. There we go. Okay folks, I took a minute to remove the core from the puller, and if we take a close look at it, we can see that that retention lug was sheared right off the side. And because it's steel, this lock body was not damaged at all, which means we could actually reuse this if we had a new core and a new tailpiece. In any case, that's all I have for you today. If you do have any questions or comments about this, please put them below. If you like this video and would like to see more like it, please subscribe. And as always, have a nice day. Thank you.